Okay, here we are, Matthew Russell Lee, Inner City Press, here at the Southern District of New York Courthouse. It's Thursday, and we're going in. Today we'll be covering the Bill Hwang court proceeding. He's Archegos, major fraud. He was arrested on a huge bond, and today he'll be appearing in the building behind me, 40 Foley, and we'll be there. But yesterday, there was a pretrial conference in the case of Joshua Schulte, of alleged CIA leaker. We covered his first trial in front of Judge Crotty, which there was a mistrial on a number of charges. He's remained in jail in the MDC, where now he represents himself, although with standby counsel that helps him quite a bit. But he's doing a lot of the work. But he can't get the computer to be turned on. He can't get access to the law library. It's kind of a test case for the right to represent yourself while in detention. So yesterday, Judge Furman held a proceeding, and he said he's going to get quite involved in the provision of printer paper. We were covering it along. We're juggling quite a few things, and for another reason, we had to step out for a moment. And when we came back, we learned that Judge Furman had said, "Is anyone in the courtroom opposed to the sealing of the courtroom during the trial?" For some witnesses, in fairness, only for some witnesses. Of course, we are opposed to that, and we were opposed to it during Crotty's. We were given an opportunity to be heard. We opposed it. It was modified. So, not having been able to speak up at the precise moment that it was raised, kind of like whack-a-mole or needle in a haystack, we've written to Judge Furman asking for to be heard and for a schedule and stating our opposition. So you should hear more on that. We've yet to write this up because we're waiting to see the letter in the docket. Speaking of the docket, Juan Orlando Hernandez had complained about conditions in the MDC as well. Government has said that's all been resolved. He has his commissary. He has the same rights to visits, etc. No mention of not getting the basketball in the basketball court, but we'll see. We'll see what's happening with that. Now, we have a UN story today, and it's about Felipe Gonzalez Morales. He's the UN High Special Representative on the rights of migrants, but he's paid by China, and he never criticizes China. He has only one outside donor, and it's China, and he says nothing about the treatment of African immigrants in China or the Uyghurs or anything else. He's paid just like Antonio Guterres. The UN is corrupt. They throw out the press that asks, but we've asked to be put back in, and we're wondering, where is the U.S. mission on this? To be continued.